Hello, welcome back to my channel in Saitya. So today we will discuss the poem, recite the poem, the rainbow poem, poem and summary and line by line explanations in English. Okay. So, first of all, I will introduce about who's the writer this poem. Mm, Poem writing The Rainbow by Christina Rossetti is a short 10-line poem that is contained within a one block of text. The line follow an interesting rhyme scheme that mostly depend on assonance or vowel rhyme. Okay, so first Sinja, boats sail on the river. तो यहाँ पर क्या है जो बोट है वो कहाँ चलती है सेल मीन्स क्या होता है चलनी है चलना तो वो कहाँ चलती है रिवर पर चलती है एंड शिप सेल ऑन द सी और जो शिप होती है वहाँ कहाँ चलती है समुद्र में चलती है एंड बट क्लाउड दैट सेल अक्रॉस द स्काई लेकिन जो क्लाउड है वो कहाँ चलता है अक्रॉस अक्रॉस द स्काई मतलब आकाश में जो क्लाउड होता है वो ऐसे लगते हैं जैसे जो बादल कहाँ चलते हैं आकाश में चलते हैं आर प्रिटियर फार देन दीज तो ये सब क्या है बहुत ज्यादा प्रिटियर लगते हैं फार देन मतलब किससे बोट से और शिप से तो हेयर इन द फर्स्ट लाइन द रेनबो द स्पीकर्स बिगिन बाय द डिस्क्राइबिंग द मोमेंट ऑफ boat on river. This first paragraph is straightforward. Rossetti is describes something simple. There is a no add detail about what kind of boat these are and where exactly they are sailing. This aids adds to the mystical and mysterious quality of the setting. The poet says that it is pretty beautiful to watch the boat sailing in the river and ship sailing to the sea. But according to her, the clouds that sail across the sky are far prettier than all the ships and boats sailing. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ देयर आर ब्रीज मतलब वहां पर क्या है ब्रीज बने हुए ऑन द रिवर रिवर के ऊपर एंड प्रीटी एज यू प्लीज and but the row that breeze heaven and overtop the trees they build up road from earth to sky as prettier is prettier far than these. So here writers say rainbow in the rainbow. The speaker introduce breeze into the equator and compares the rainbow to a breeze to heaven. This setting is growing and landscape is developing. There are many breezes on the river built arti- artistically, but the breeze that catches the eyes of the poet is the bow that breeze heaven. This breeze looms over the tree tops and builds the road from the earth to sky, which is the rainbow. The rainbow is far prettier than all the other man-made breeze. So, conclusion here the poet has compared man made versus natural or God made throughout the poem. There are two different comparisons Rossetti speakers make in the text between things made by human hand and things created within nature or by the higher power. The first is between boat, ship, and cloud. They are beautiful and all sails, but the cloud win by the far. In the second half of the poem, she compares or prays to a rainbow. Both appears in the same shape and spin or distance, but the rainbow takes one from the earth to the sky rather than from pitch of the earth pitch to the another. It is superior. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.